Hi there, this is from Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about sales filter, and we have a very nice data tracking system for sales. This channel is dedicated to create dashboard and other data management tools, and the users are institutions, business people, and individuals. Those are people who can use our products, dashboard, and other data management tools. The purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, save time, generate automatic report. We provide the dashboard and other data management that will help institutions, business people, and individuals in terms of modernizing the data system, saving time, generate automatic reports, as well as have an effect on their cost reduction in their business. Today's report is about sales and filters by different parameters. This will be the final output of today's topic. We'll have a summary table that summarizes sales by item or sales product, and we'll have also sales by month and sales by branch. And this is a beautiful sales report. I'll come into this in detail in the later session. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Here is the content of this. The content is tracking sales and filtering by different parameters, and the data entry required is use some of the data are used from pick lists. For example, physical year, branch, and month will be picked from the pick list, already existing pick list. We write the dates of the sales, and we also take the items to be sold from the pick list, and we write the quantities to be sold, or quantity sold will be written by hand, and then we'll save and refresh our data. After entering data, we'll get the report. Just before that, the content of this is tracking sales and the filter, and the report generated will be sales report. And basically we have three reports. The first report is sales by item or by product, and the second is sales by month and sales by branch. So once we insert the data into the system, we'll get uh, those reports: sales by item, sales by month, and sales by branch. And the purpose of this sales tracking system is to effectively follow up our sales, to make informed decision. For example, which product is sold more, or which products are actually the sales is less among our existing product. We know that. Which branch need more support, which months or months are better for our product sales, do we need advertising for our product. Those questions will be answered from the data we generate from our sales, and we are able to make informed decision, and which product shall we advertise, and so on. So those information will be available for us, and we are able to make informed decision on our sales. The other purpose is to track sales and to visualize sales performance. Those are some of the purposes of this data management tool. It also saves time for report generation. It will automatically generate report, and we will have a ready-made report always. In terms of for whom this is recommended, this is recommended for sales managers, sales team and salespersons, business organizations, booksellers, stationery owners, and small business owners can use this one, and even others who have a sales in their system can use this tracking system. Here is the data entry page, and those are our product for this demo, and this is the sales price for each items. We have 10 items in this for this demo. So we'll insert our data. Some of the data we use from pick list. For example, physical year, branch, and month will be taken from pick list. And the first one is the physical year. We'll pick the physical year from the existing list. Branch we also take from the pick list. The month will be also taken from the pick list. So we'll write the actual sales dates here in this section, and we also pick the item to be sold from the pick list. So we'll pick the item here. Then the quantity sold, we write the quantity sold here, and then the remaining two columns will be automatically updated. The price and the total sales will be automatically updated. This is our data entry page. Once basically most of them are from the pick list, and we just write the date and the quantity sold. So once we fill this data, we'll get a very beautiful sales report. Here is the report, and the first one is the summary table that shows the sales by product or by items. For example, the first item is biology book, and here it is sales amount. Then the next is chemistry book and physics book, and this is the sales amount. We also have a grand total here. The total sales is over 70,000. In terms of the sales by product, we have a clear data. Then in terms of the month, we also have sales by month. For example, the first one is January month, February, and March. So we have a clear data by month. And the third one is sales by branch for branch A, for branch B, for branch C, and for branch D. So we'll have a full data on our sales in terms of the branch, in terms of the month, and in terms of product. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share. And in addition to all this, we can actually filter our data by month. We click only on the any month of our interest, or by branch, and we'll have a similar trend data. If you actually click on the specific month or a specific branch, so we will have finally this a beautiful sales report. Thank you, and use this tool for your sales data tracking system. We recommend for sales managers, sales team and salespersons, business organizations, booksellers, stationery owners, and small business owners. So depending on your uh, business type, we actually provide such template. So thank you very much once again, and subscribe to Get Data Solution.